How to fix Google Pay app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can fix Google Pay app not working. So how do you do so? The reason why your application might not work might be due to some glitches, like technical glitches and the likes. And how do you resolve this? The first thing you should do is to try updating the application. And how do you do that? Just head over to your Play Store or to your App Store, depending on where you got the application from. And then once you're in any of these stores, the next step would be for you to type out the name of the store, the name of the application, which is Google Pay. All right, and once type it out on this page that you can see on my screen, you will see the option update if there's a recent update on the application. So click on it and update the application. After updating it, go back and restart the application. Now, if it still doesn't work, the next thing you will do is to go to your settings. And once you're on the settings page, head over to your applications and you wait for it to load, of course. And once you're on this page, click on manage applications and go ahead to type out the application which you would like to manage. In this case, it is Google Pay or Google Wallet. And once you're on this page, move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons such as First Tab, Uninstall, Clear Data. Click on Clear Data and then go ahead to clear the cache and then restart the application, and now it should work. Another thing you can try is to ensure that you check your internet connection. Check if your internet connection is solid enough in order to launch the application. All right, and if you tried all of this and it still doesn't work, then the next option would be for you to uninstall and then reinstall the application. Just try this and I'm sure that by the time you reinstall the application and you sign in again with your Google account, the Google Pay application will be working perfectly, even more than what you've expected. So that is it. These are the various ways you can fix Google Pay app not working. Thank you everyone for watching and go and try this out.